So in this video, we will learn how to use Atom and make the watermelon website. Okay, so we first go to the folder where we want the watermelon website to be, and then create a new folder here, and then name it watermelon. Okay, now we go to Atom, open Atom, and you will see something like this. So you can close these tabs. Just press this button and it will close these tabs. Okay, so now you can click on Add Folders here and click on this watermelon folder and then click Open. Okay, now you click on this file and then you click on New File. Or some people, if you know how to do it, you can use Control N or Command N in Mac. Okay, once you have this untitled file, you press File and then Save or Save As, and then press it, and then in Mac you'll go to this place. Okay, if you know in Windows how to do it, you can use Control S or Command S in Mac, and then name it as index.html. Index.html is the default. It's the default file for a website. Or index.php, but we'll just do it HTML now. So we'll name it index.html. Okay, and then press save. Okay, and then you will see index.html here. Okay, so let's start off with writing doctype HTML. So this doctype HTML declares that this HTML document is an HTML5 document. Okay, now press enter. You will go to line 2. Okay, and then write the HTML tag. This is the start of an HTML file. Okay, and then end this HTML tag. Okay, go to the tag's middle and press enter. And then go to line 2, press enter. Okay, now you press tab. And then the first element inside the HTML is head. Okay, and then enter and then end the head. Okay, so go inside and then we will first put the title. The title is what the title of the web page. I will show you where it is in a minute. Okay, so you can write any title you want, but I'm just writing watermelon. Okay, now we'll just save it, and then I will show you what the title is. Okay, so to save it, you just need to press File, Save. Okay, or Control S or Command S. Okay, so now you see the blue dot has gone. Okay, go to Chrome. This is the title of a web page. Like I go to this web page. This is the title of this Bridge Elementary website. Okay, so open Atom again. Okay, let's continue. Okay, after the head element, it's the body element. Okay, close the element with a // And remember to close every element except this, because this is not really an element. It's just a comment. Okay, so in the body, we will write a header. We learned headers in the first class. So H1 is the biggest header. Okay. You can write anything you want. I'll just write it's watermelon, actually, sorry. Watermelon. Okay? / H1 and the tag. Okay, press enter. Okay, so for the image, we won't do it now. And then we will do a paragraph. So a paragraph is like a normal text of the web page. Okay, we are a team. You can actually write whatever you want. Remember to close this element with a / Okay? Enter. The next line is paragraph 2. Okay, in this paragraph, you can also write whatever you want, but I'll just write this. Okay, close the tag. Okay, now we press enter, and then there is another paragraph now. Okay, and then you can again, you can write whatever you want. Okay, and the element. Okay, now enter. Okay, now we will do a header 3 tag. It's the third biggest header. So you just need to type in H3. Okay, and then you can write whatever you want. Okay, and then end of the element with an H3. Okay, so now we will save this file. So press File and then press Save. And then as you see, the blue dot has gone again. Okay, so now that's for the HTML. This web page is done. And now we need to view the web page. So for HTML, you can just view it with Chrome or any web browser. So in order to go to the file, you just press File. Type in File, :, 3 /, and then to get the path on the file, for Windows, it should be something like this. Downloads my file, the HTML. So it should be something like this. But on Mac, it's a little different. So on Mac, to get the file path, just go to your Finder. Okay, and then go to the file. Okay, so now right click and then press option and click copy index.html as path name. Or if you don't know how to do that, you can press get info and then here is the path. You will just need this users this string. Okay, so this string is what you need. Okay, so close it and then now paste in the file path, or you can, as I said, you can also use that one. So get info this users, I'll copy that, and then I'll just press enter on this one. As you can see, this is the watermelon website, and this is the title. I'll just show you how to go to the file on if you this one. Okay, so as you paste it, it's in the same format. Okay, that's good. Okay, so press enter, and then you need to press this index.html. Okay, so you will get the same result. Okay, so as you can see, this watermelon is H1, and this is a paragraph. Okay, this is also a paragraph, and this is another paragraph, and this is an H3 tag. Okay, so we can do some extra stuff if you want. So go to Atom again, and now so I just want to tell you we will be learning links next class. Okay, so we will see what different headers there are. Okay, so I'm just going to write H1. This is a header. Okay, close off this tag, and you can copy this. Okay, paste. Okay, and change this to H2. Change it to H2, and as you see, when I change this, this tag has error. So you just need to change this 1, 2, 3. Okay, and then keep going up 4, 5, 6. Okay. Okay, so now as you see, there are 6 different headers here. Okay, want to see what it looks like? Click on File and then Save. Remember always to save a file, because if your computer shuts down unexpectedly, your file may be lost. So you can save it anytime. Okay. So refresh this page, and as you see, there are 6 different headers here. This one is the smallest header. I just want to conduct an experiment. Change this to 7. Let's see if there are 7. So as you see, there are no 7 headers. The 7th headers is a paragraph now, basically. Okay, so now that's it for this time. Okay, so we will review it in the class this week, okay? And we will learn about how to put a hyperlink in our code next class, okay? So that's it. Okay, so bye-bye.